Hi everyone, look what happened. Everything is melted and it's spring. Look at that gorgeous lake. So unfortunately pets are prohibited on this beach, so I'm gonna go get some closer views. So, this is Lake Erie. You see that smoke? That's the power plant from Monroe, Michigan. You can see it all the way from here. Alright, you guys ready for go for a walk? Not the walk we planned, but a walk. So there's Bayo and Fifi on their walk at the lake. Someone's grilling, it smells great. Summer's coming, guys. Alright, come on, guys. Oh, Baby's got pee. Oh, you got pee too now? Yeah, that's fine, right? Just let your dog poop right in the middle of the sidewalk and leave it. That wasn't us. It's been there. Okay, listen, you can tell it's spring. So you can see, we are starting to get our spring buds. Certain things are starting to bud, and certain things have not budded yet. So we're currently in that winter-spring crosshair back and forth weather pattern we've got going on. So does anybody have any summer plans yet? Anybody doing anything this summer? The dogs already have a couple different campsites booked for the summer, so you guys will see us camp just like last year. A few different times at least. Off to the side, let the doggy go. Oh, off to the side. Let the doggy pass. That's a Bernese mountain dog. Oh, give them a minute to go. That's the way we want to go too. We're definitely not going that way, guys.
What do you mean? Me and Bayo can go that way. What are you talking about? Come on, Bayo.
Yeah, you can go that way, Bay? It's so flooded. All that snow melted and the ground was still frozen. The water didn't quite have anywhere to go until it warms up just a little bit more. Oh, look. Trash. I've said it before, but I will always say it. Please make sure to pick up your trash when you're on natural public areas. When you're in any area, really, but when you're on one of the most precious resources on the planet, fresh water, please pick up your trash. Not a dark cloud in the sky. Beautiful sunny day. Yeah, when I say things like Lake Erie's almost in our backyard, it barely even took us 20 minutes to get here.
Probably could have got here faster too.
Yeah.
Well, that point of Lake Erie.
Right. 20-minute drive and we're at the beach. I'm trying to get a picture of her walking near the rocks at the lake, but she won't look at me. See ya!
She does not care about you.
Fee! 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 Okay, everyone. Listen. That's all the frogs and tadpoles hatching. That's why we're known as Frogtown. One of the names for Toledo. Frogs on one side with those waves and the seagulls on the other. Yeah? Is that how we're walking? Look guys, there's a little mini lighthouse too at the end of that little pier. And there's all those birds playing in the water.